Hey there everyone, in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can set up the unit system and precision in FreeCAD. For that, simply go to edit, then go to preference, then look for general, then here you need to look for default unit system. So here you can change your unit system between metric and other system. For example, if somebody is from US, they would prefer going for this US feet, inch, square feet system, or could go with this third option. Now in my particular case, I am happy with millimeter kg second, which most of the countries will prefer. And in this way guys, you can select the default unit system. Now let's talk about the precision. Okay, so here this is what going to define your precision. So if you're going to make it 3, then you're going to see the precision up to 3 decimal points. If you are not concerned about going to a micron level, then in that case you can make it either 2 or 1, such that the value of dimension we're going to see up to only 2 value. Now let's hit apply and OK. So in this way guys, you can change the unit system and precision of FreeCAD. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow the complete FreeCAD tutorial series.